Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.98. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 9.8%. This equates to an average return of 4.9% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 35.71% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 56.86% to negative 35.71%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 44.80%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 16.82% and 173.40% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $332.87 and $779.05. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for Tesla Stock Price on Friday, moving between $259.63 and $286.85. The Tesla stock price gained 9.8% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, rising from $259.51 to $284.95. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues this upward trend or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 10.48%, with a day low of $259.63 and a day high of $286.85. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 12.9% over the past 2 weeks. There was an increase in volume on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 74 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 166 million shares were exchanged for approximately $47.34 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54, while the lowest price was $166.37. Currently, the price stands at 41.67%, or $203.59, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock, TSLA, has experienced a notable surge amid significant developments this week. The NDX index rallied over 6%, with TSLA being a key performer, closing the week strong despite missing its earnings targets. This bullish sentiment among investors is largely driven by positive regulatory news. The U.S. Department of Transportation has announced a new regulatory framework for autonomous vehicles designed to encourage innovation and commercial deployment. This could pave the way for Tesla's advancements in self-driving technology, boosting investor confidence in the company's future prospects. Additionally, an emphasis on Tesla's energy storage and potential robotics ventures suggests a long-term path towards innovation and profitability. However, Tesla does face challenges, including declining sales and intense competition in the electric vehicle market. A critical 71% drop in profits highlights these hurdles, suggesting that while the stock may rally in the short term, the company needs to navigate these obstacles carefully to justify its lofty valuation. In summary, the current momentum in Tesla's stock price reflects optimism around regulatory support and ongoing innovation. Nonetheless, investors should stay cautious about the sustainability of these gains in the face of operational challenges. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned TSLA a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned TSLA a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TSLA an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned TSLA an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned TSLA a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. However, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at $249.09 and $251.79. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 28.44%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. There are also some negative signals to note, which may impact short-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 53 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 40 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $282.76. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements during the day, and with healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $27.22, representing a change of 10.48%. In the past week, the stock experienced daily average volatility of 6.13%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at 570 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $288.14. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a critical level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla experiences its first support level at $282.76. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of April, 2025, TSLA Inc. executed an insider sell of 4,000 shares of non-qualified stock option, which grants the right to buy. On the same day, TSLA Inc. also conducted an insider buy of 4,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 7th of April, 2025, TSLA Inc. performed an insider sell of 4,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Murdoch James R. executed an insider buy of 351,787 shares of common stock. On the same day, Murdoch James R. conducted an insider sell of 54,776 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.117. Overall, insiders purchased 887,105 shares and sold 1,328,251 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $274.29, reflecting a decrease of 3.74%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 12 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are indicating positivity. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we believe that the current level presents a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of April, we anticipate Tesla will open lower by approximately $7.81, starting at $277.14. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.